Intrusion alert, level 2. Intrusion. Disarmed. Sensor offline.
Black Widow up there.
Nothing to see here. Move along. Let's try this again. Who sent you? An old friend. System offline. Assets at risk. Reinitializing. Taskmaster. What do you want? HQ back online. Ms. Romanoff, the Wakandan cargo has been secured safely inside the Quinjet. It's in the jet. Let's go! Friday, don't put him through!
Yeah, she put me through. Hi, Nat. Everything okay? You need help?
I don't need help!
Yeah, I should know.
Intruders! Step aside. I won't ask a second time. Friday, please introduce our guest.
The Taskmaster. Origin unknown. Be ready. Taskmaster has the ability to master and replicate your fighting skills. It's annoying.
This is a fight you cannot win.
Let's go. Friday, seal off Bay 94. Yes, Miss Romanoff. Bay 94 secured.
This is not going to end well for you.